welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys makeup products that are worth the money according to me. This is a Swiss Beauty Gel makeup base. This is actually a really nice illuminator. It works really well underneath your makeup. So basically this gives you it gives you a lot of glow and a highlight on your face. This is actually called a highlighting primer. So this works as a very nice illuminator. Next thing of course has to be a primer. So this is the Inside 3-in-1 primer. This is also one of the affordable primers that I absolutely love. And this is a silicone based primer and it again creates a layer onto your face. And it is a silicone based primer, if you have a very dry texture, you have a lot of pore situation, this is gonna help you with that as well, so that your makeup seamlessly sits on your skin. Even though your skin is dry, it's gonna create like a layer onto your face that is going to help your makeup to last longer. Third thing is a makeup brush. Actually, this is the Mars 4-in-1 makeup brush. Now if you're watching my videos for a long time, you know that I've been using this a lot since a lot of days. Now this is actually what the name says. It's a 4-in-1 brush. This is a very travel friendly brush as well. You get a foundation or a compact or a buffing brush like that. Then this is a blush brush, powder brush, contour brush. This is like this shaped. Then inside you have two eye brushes. One is like a staple, a very gathered brush, so it picks up the color or the glitter very nicely. And this is more like a fluffy brush which kind of helps you to blend those colors in. So according to me, this is actually a really nice brush to kind of take if you're traveling, because it is going to take 4 brushes with you and you don't have to carry 4 separate brushes and you will be good to go. And this is really affordable as well. So ये एक आईब्रो पेंसिल है जो डेफिनेटली एक्सपेंसिव है. द प्राइस ऑफ दिस इज 2800 रुपीज़. और ये है बेनिफिट का ग्रूव ब्राउ पेंसिल और ये मेरा शेड है 05. और ये बहुत ही बढ़िया वाला प्रोडक्ट है. ये कुछ ऐसा आता है, इसके एक साइज में आपको ब्राउ प्रोडक्ट मिल जाएगा, मतलब ब्राउ लगाने के लिए मिल जाएगा. तो ये साइड पे आपको मिल जाएगा स्पूली, जिसके मदद से आप अपने ब्राउज को कोम कर सकते हो. नाउ मुझे पता है कि आपको इतना एक्सपेंसिव ब्राउ प्रोडक्ट लेने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है, बट अगर आप एक बार इन्वेस्ट कर सकते हो तो मुझे लगता है कि बेनिफिट के ये ही नहीं, मैंने यही इसकी बात नहीं करी, कोई भी बेनिफिट का ब्राउ प्रोडक्ट में आप एक बार इन्वेस्ट करके देखो. बिकॉज मुझे ऐसा लगता है पर्सनली कि बेनिफिट के ब्राउ प्रोडक्ट काफ़ी अच्छे होते हैं. डेफिनेटली बेनिफिट के ब्लशेस होते हैं, बेनिफिट की काफ़ी चीज़ें पॉपुलर है, बट मुझे ऐसा पर्सनली लगता है कि बेनिफिट के ब्राउ प्रोडक्ट्स काफ़ी अच्छे होते हैं और आपको डेफिनेटली ट्राई आउट करनी चाहिए. और ये भी आपको ट्राई आउट करके देखना चाहिए क्योंकि ये काफ़ी अच्छा है, काफ़ी नेचुरल रहता है. मतलब अगर आपने गलती से बहुत ज़्यादा ब्राउ फिल कर दिया तो भी अगर आप ये स्पूली से इसको ऐसा ब्रश कर दोगे ना तो बहुत ही नेचुरल लगेगा और काफ़ी बेहद मुझे बहुत पसंद है. आई लव दिस. बट डेफिनेटली अफोर्डेबल ऑप्शंस आर ऑल्सो देयर. Like there are a lot of affordable options that you can try out. I know it. There's a Swiss Beauty eyebrow brushes, Inside Cosmetics eyebrow. I know, but I think Benefit makes the best brow products. I feel like in the luxury category, and if you can just one chance to this, you should definitely give it. अगर आपको कोई इन तीनों ब्रांड में से या कोई भी ब्रांड में से प्रोडक्ट्स का मैं ट्राई करूँ और आपके साथ रिव्यू शेयर करूँ ऐसा चाहिए तो मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर बताना. मैं करूँगी या गाइस, करूँगी डेफिनेटली. आई लव buying new makeup, trying it out, talking about it. So definitely let me know in the comments. If you have been watching my videos for a long time, you know I love this mascara. This is the Maybelline Sky High mascara that I've applied today. I don't know how much you can see it, but this is such a beautiful mascara. It separates my eyelashes. I already have volume, I already have big lashes, so I just need it to separate from each other and to feel like, even if I just apply one light layer because I don't need that much, but this is such a beautiful mascara. I mean, just look at the flexibility of the wand. I mean, after seeing this, you know exactly why this is such a hyped up mascara. It has worked on me so beautifully that I keep coming back to this mascara. Even if I'm using some other mascara, after that gets over, I come back to this one. This is like my home mascara and I absolutely love it. Now the next product is something that I don't know why a lot of people are not talking about. This is the L'Oreal Oil Killer Compact. Okay, I have started to hit pan on this. This is so damn good. I don't know why people are not talking about it. This is a compact. It gives you coverage, like a very nice coverage. That alone, this compact is going to kind of seize your day when you don't need so much of like high coverage makeup. And I think that is a great thing. If a compact is doing that, what should you need? Sometimes I just wear this and go. I don't even wear foundation, not even a concealer, just this, and I move ahead. This is such a beautiful palette. Now let me tell you, I can't explain you the consistency on camera, but this is so buttery soft, and you can see, right? And I'm just gonna press it on this color and I'm just gonna blend it. Look at the coverage. Look at my hand. Oh my god, this is such a beautiful compact. This has actually been my savior, and nobody is talking about it. So I don't know why, but you should start talking about this product because this is really, really damn amazing. The link will be in the description. Do try it. It's really good. That's about it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video and took something from it and was helpful to you. If it did, make sure to give this video a biggest possible thumbs up and let me know in the comment section what did you find helpful, what did you like, what didn't you like, everything. And also, जैसा कि मैंने बोला, प्लीज़ मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में बताना कि अगर आपको कौन सा भी मेकअप प्रोडक्ट का रिव्यू चाहिए, किसी नए मेकअप प्रोडक्ट का रिव्यू चाहिए कि मैं उसको ट्राई करूँ और आपके साथ उसका रिव्यू शेयर करूँ, please do mention in the comments. I would love to do it. So yeah, that's about it. I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye. Take care.